What's up, guys? Oh, I'm back here for a video. Goddamn. Get out of here, bro. Fucking house. So, um, it is currently 7:21 in the morning, and I had to take my girlfriend to work this morning. So, I came home. I came home and to make myself something to eat because I'm gonna be getting a tattoo this morning. I wish I could film it, but I can't because, you know, I can't really tell you. But, anyways, I went to go make myself something to eat before I get it, so that way, you know, I don't bleed as much. I went to go make that, it's like ramen noodles, but it's not. Whew. And usually this never happened before. But I went to go make it. Went in the bedroom, I went to the bedroom to grab a bottle to make Thomas a bottle. And I come out and my microwave smoky. And this happened. Like, what the hell? Usually that never happens. We cook these things in our microwave all the freaking time. So, I have no idea. Why it's like that? Say hi, Edwin. Tell everybody hi. You gonna tell everybody hi? You gonna tell everybody hi? So yeah, now I gotta fucking clear out the smoke in my house because it was just erupting out of my microwave. I'm like, what the fuck? I ran over there. Whew. Let me tell you, it's some stinky shit. I was still gasping for air for it. But say hi, Thomas. Say hi. Can you say hi yet? Can you say anything? We're still trying to get Thomas to say his first word. He hasn't said it yet. He's been jibber jabbering up a storm though. It's squishy. There you go. You're just squishy. But yeah, just clearing out my house now. Whew. God damn. My girlfriend's gonna get a fucking kick out of that one. And you know something? That was my lunch for work. I'm just really fucking hungry. So now I just might make eggs. Does it sound like I'm playing to you guys? Eggs sound good? I think so. Anyways. Just wanted to give you that guys a little update. Oh. My microwave almost blew up. Oof. I think there's something wrong with that microwave. The fuck is it? My power level's that high. This is fucked up. Medium low, okay. Fixed it. Anyways. Yeah. This is that time I'll be getting everybody. We're going right on my arm. I wish I could film it, but I can't. So, talk to you later. Outlaw out.